Hello and welcome all. This is Galactic Geeks. As you have seen in our previous video, we have created a jobified system that allows us to simulate millions of bullets at once. And right now on screen, what you are seeing is a turret prefab that we are using in our game. And as a part of our game, we have agreed that each turret should have a bullet of its own color. So we have created this variable called gradient sample. So in short, it is linked with the position buffer and the value W. So whenever a bullet is collided with some collider or its lifetime expires after 5 seconds, we are straight up sending it into the alpha channel for the renderer. So we don't care at that point because the value is going to be 0. But if the bullet still has lifetime and still hasn't collided with any collider, then we are remapping its range from 1 to 5 to 0 to 1. So that way we are sampling this gradient actually, and we are assigning the color to each bullet. So without further ado, let's get back into the game and I'll walk you through all the updates we have made in the due time. So as you can see, the FPS is still pretty high, and we have an object pool for enemies. So they get pulled and they get recycled. So the goal for the enemy is to start from that location and to reach this ending location here where the player is standing. So this is the end goal for the enemies, and as you can see, they start racing through the track. And now, as the player, my aim is to stop as many enemies as I can. So for that, let me just go into the bullet or the build mode, and whenever it is green, I'm able to place a tower, and the selection here is represented in the green color on the top. So now let me just place the 4-direction turret. So whenever the bullets collide with a collider or a eye damageable interface, so their health obviously drops, as you can see here on the screen. Even the player is using eye damageable interface and his health is also dropping as well. So right now I can create multiple towers. Each tower has its own unique behavior. For example, lock on here, it shoots 5 bullets to the nearby enemy. Similarly, spinner spins randomly, or let's say sequentially it spawns bullet after X amount of seconds. And all the sounds you are hearing in the game world are also object pulled, and so are the depth effects. Those little particle systems you are able to see whenever a enemy has died, those are also object pulled.